Mike Raza, the Director of Strategy and Marketing for Toyota Machinery, or JTech Toyota Americas Corporation. Here at our booth today, we have some really exciting technology. A real highlight for us is being able to explain to our customer base how that technology translates into actual profitability for their operation. So we're looking at things like how lower energy consumption in our machine tools saves them money on their electrical bill. Yet at the same time, our machines are often able to cut harder, faster, better cycle times, higher productivity, besides just saving them money in the actual cost of the machine tool. Along the same lines, the quality and reliability is on display for all. So we have information about, for example, how less than 2% of all of our horizontal machining center spindles have to be replaced in the field. Or if you buy, say, for example, a $300,000 Toyota machine tool, you will spend on average less than $3,000 per year on parts and service. Across the board, our average is less than 1% of your initial investment. To demonstrate the power of our machinery, we're doing live cutting demonstrations on the majority of the machine tools here, most of which are hard metals applications. So we've got some stainless steel demos on our 630 size horizontal, both in 17.4 and 15.5. Oil and gas or aerospace grades. We have a 5-axis aerospace machining center designed to cut titanium, full 5-axis that's on display in front of our booth. We're cutting on our bridge mills. We're doing some die mold demos in tool steel. So it's kind of a nice opportunity for us to actually make chips and show the power and rigidity of Toyota.